Alright, so today we're going to do a puff pastry cheese ballon courtesy of Harry from Fire to Fork, who I've never met, but mate, if you watch this, thank you very much, and I hope it tastes as good as it looked on your show. Baking paper, but I'm hoping that tin foil with a bit of spray might work. Give that a go. It's Great Northern original today. Bloody helicopters everywhere. So couldn't freeze these because we've not much freezer room, but they've been in the fridge for 3 days, so they're nice and soft. Kind of hoping that'll be okay. I can just gently thaw while we're waiting. A bit of tasty. Sorry, camembert. I think I only want about half of this because it'll be too big otherwise. Because we're going to get some triple brie in there too.
Tom, I look like an amateur.
Half of this, I suppose. Probably make another one later on at this rate if we need to.
Give a bit of cheese, Richard.
A bit of cheese. Alright, put all these.
Richard, what do you do?
A what?
A beer.
It's not a coffee, it's a beer.
So is it
Very
just...
delicate.
What other cheese? Could you put smelly blue cheese in?
No, I have got, but I don't think the girls like smelly blue cheese, so I'm going to leave it out. I've got some for us later.
I love that
Oh, me too.
dirty, filthy cheese.
Me too. I got triple cream brie, some camembert, some tasty,
And so what do you just...
bit of garlic.
Really? Wow. This has got heart attack written all over it. I cannot wait to see the fat ooze out of this thing.
Bit of garlic.
Look at this, Matty.
And then
Honey.
a little bit of honey.
Wow. Oh, my a little bit. Wow, a bee would be impressed with the amount of honey you put on that. This is getting...
Make it brown.
Did you see it, Maddie? That was very chefy. Richie, next time I want to see where you do with the egg like this, you do cracking it.
I can't do that.
You can't do that?
I'm not that good.
No, I've crushed the egg in a hand trying to get it. Very fancy.
I haven't washed my hands, I promise.
I thought you just would have poured the whole container over it, Rich.
Alright. So we'll wrap that up. I'll just get the cap off.
We didn't have any
I don't think I want to trip it in. No baking kettle. go over to the fire.
If you look when we said vigorous hunters, it's along that line.
Ian Moss is bloody fantastic. But Ian Moss was using cold chisel.
Oh yeah.
Was Ian Hunters and Collectors? Ian Moss?
No, he's from Chisel. And I don't know what he did. Didn't he do solo after that?
Yeah, but I thought he was in.
It could have been, but I know he definitely did solo after Chisel.
Oh, he's fantastic. And Jay, what does Paul Kelly say?
I'd love Paul Kelly to see.
Well, who was it
All right.
yesterday that said he
We'll give that about 10 minutes and hopefully it'll be, I don't know how long later, a wee bit.
mining ridges over the other place?
I don't think it's ready yet, but we'll see what it looks like. Whoa, it's getting good. I reckon we're about 2 stubbies away. It has been 2 stubbies, so let's just give it a go. I can't guarantee what we're looking like. If it's burnt, we're in trouble. Woo! I think we're 1.5 stubbies away, or a stubby and a skull. Let's do a stubby. Let's do a skull. All right, turn it off. We're on. We're on.
Yeah.
That's what people tell her. Yeah, I'm just gonna.
Oh wow, that actually looks so
Let's take it over. I better.
Oh no!
I'll give this some.
Okay,
That's out.
Richo. Good job, Jado.
Do you need any more?
Alright. Go into this.
Yes. Perfect.
We've done it. I think I need to just try and.
Oh look, I don't want to interrupt.
I think I need to ease it off this.
Look at this one,
Oh, it's all that honey.
That would ease.
So what we need to do now.
in that lad.
So many people. Could be hot though, careful. Oh, looks amazing. Roof of your mouth. Just think everything else you want to taste for the rest of the week.
Oh, that's some good stuff.
She'll make room.
Is it too hot, babe?
No, I'm double dipping.
Okay.
Oh, you can't,
Yes, she did.
Shall we cut it a bit there?
Oh,
Do you want me to get that bowl that catches all that goop? No.
Oh, it'll just stay up that one.
Holy dude. How did you get it wrong?
You like it?
Oh, I haven't tried it yet.
No, we'll
This
get
is
into
Emily's dream.
Go on.
She loves an hors d'oeuvre.
What's it made of, please? I hadn't
Hors
heard
d'oeuvre.
I didn't hear the horse's nerves.
Yeah, that's it. Devil's on horseback or something.
There's a knife there.
No, no, you cook those well.
That's for me.
Emmy's going for a Jap sandwich with
Have a go. I want to know what you think of it.
yeah. That's the vegan stuff.
Oh, that's good. It's got honey on it.
Yeah.
Oh, yum.
So it was devoured. It was a complete success. Everything else has been cleaned up. Cracking recipe.